Step 1. This content is non-story, providing information on bird species in Mexico. Step 2. No need for characters or plot design. Step 3. Each paragraph explains a different bird species. Resplendent quetzal, iridescent green plumage and long tail feathers. Elegant trogon, metallic green back, red underparts. Violet-crowned hummingbird, violet crown, white underparts. Orange-breasted bunting, bright orange and turquoise plumage. Red warbler, striking red with white facial markings. Green jay, vivid green, black bib, blue crown. Russet-crowned mottmid, long tail with racket-shaped tips. Cinnamon-bellied flower piercer, cinnamon-colored belly. Bumblebee hummingbird, small, iridescent plumage. Azure-crowned hummingbird, blue crown, green body. Mexican parrotlet, small, bright green parrot. Golden-cheeked woodpecker, golden yellow cheek patch. Red-headed tanager, bright red head, olive body. Blue mockingbird, deep blue bird, melodious song. Yellow-winged cacique, black body, yellow wing patches. Collared aracari, toucan with colorful bill and collar. Masked titara, white body, black mask, pinkish bill. Crimson-collared tanager, black body, crimson collar. Yellow grosbeak, bright yellow, black wings. Blue bunting, deep, vibrant blue. Rufous-backed robin, similar to American robin, rufous-back. White-throated magpie jay, striking blue and white, long tail. Altamira oriole, bright orange, black markings.